Welcome to the mobile developers. Now we're going to see how to set a custom ringtone for your iPhone without any laptop directly on your phone. So for that we need a GarageBand app as well as a browser, Chrome or a Brave browser installed on your iPhone. Let's open Brave browser now and search for Cherry ringtone, or else any of your ringtone which you like. Search and download that using your browser. So now I'm going to download Cherry and it's my favorite song. So I'm going to download it from website, from an unknown website. So just download and in any of it, like MP3 version or MP4 version, just download and share button and click share button on the left corner. Once you save it to iCloud, open the GarageBand that we have already installed on iPhone. Click plus button on the top right corner. So it opens audio recording. Click small plus icon to make your ringtone more than 8 seconds. So on the right, so I'll select it as 15. I want 15 seconds ringtone. Now click control button, it's the third button top left, and select browse button on the top right, it's in the middle, and locate your file in the iCloud. Now drag and drop your ringtone to the console and display. And now click down arrow button on the top left and save as my ringtone. And hold and place ringtone, and when the options appear, then select share and select ringtone and continue. Now name your ringtone and click export. And exit the GarageBand, and now go to the settings. That's all guys, it's a very easy way to set a ringtone. Thank you.